In this video, let us cover what is test plan. Test plan is an important document that is created by the QA team as part of the testing activity. Test plan also gets shared across other cross-functional teams like development team, business analysis, and project management to ensure they are completely aware of what all is included in the testing process. Test plan is a high-level document which describes the scope and testing activities of a project. It is a document which basically describes what is going to be tested, who will be responsible for the same, when are we planning to test each individual modules or phases, and how will the testing be done. There is no specific test plan template as test plans could differ from organization to organization. In few cases, test plans could vary for specific projects as well. There is a common misconception that test plan has to be prepared by the test lead or test manager. Well, in few organizations, test plan is a team activity wherein the junior testers are also encouraged to participate in the creation and updation of test plans. In here, we have listed few sections that could be part of your test plan. Remember, the sections are not limited to what you have learnt here. It could vary according to your project needs. These days, many of us believe with organizations embracing agile methodology for their projects, we do not get enough time to build test plans. That is mostly correct. But remember, test plan aids testing team in their testing activities.